Intellectual property is a legal term for creations of the mind. It is a vital concept for anyone building a business or creative project. At its core, intellectual property is about ownership. It gives creators exclusive rights to their ideas and inventions for a set period. There are 4 main ways the law protects your work, depending on whether you created a machine, a brand, a song, or a secret recipe. Each category serves a specific purpose. Patents stop others from selling your invention, while trademarks ensure customers know who made the product. Copyrights protect your art and writing automatically, but trademarks require active registration to protect your brand identity in the marketplace. These protections are not permanent. Patents expire after 20 years, while trademarks need periodic renewal to stay active. By securing these rights, you transform your ideas into assets that can be licensed, sold, or used to build a sustainable competitive advantage. Understanding these basics helps you value your creations. Always consult a legal professional for specific guidance on your unique situation.